Very good.
Away, rainbow.
Way
Up bird, up fly. Bird, up fly.
Birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh why?
Can I sing?
Good.
Rock-a-the-baby, when the bell breaks, the cradle will fall,
And
down will come to it, and up.
Your falsetto is wonderful.
Good.
that was great. And
Never had such knowledge.
what about noble kings?
But when I came, power ship the Laura. Oh, first done, but I can sit down. No one
Are you making sure she's getting shy now?
Noble kings and princes.
But when I came,
How and there they came.
Pirate ships.
Laura. Oh, first done, but I can sit down. No one can touch it.
Conglomeration.
Now when I came, but done it half it. Eating herd and way.
It's a compilation, if you will.
It's siren after rain again.
Along came the sun.
Along came the rain and washed the spider out.
No spider.
Then out came the sun.
No.
Okay, I can't sing. I know.
What about
Why?
Crooked Man?
She just likes to sing.
Can you do Crooked Man?
No.
What is that?
No.
What's Crooked Man?
There once was a crooked man.
Ooh.
Lived
No
in-
cooking man.
Okay, what about Three Blind Mice?
Baby can sing.
Three
It.
blind mice. Three blind mice.
That's it. Three Blind Mice. See how they... Who did they run after?
Hey,
What's my napkin?
your napkin? It's right there.
Right
Look.
here, silly.
How'd you miss it?
Three Blind Mice.
Are you attempting to clean yourself up? I have to power wash you. Yeah. You're a piggy.
This grapefruit is good, actually.
She's gonna do that all the time.
That's Juliet then.
Right, and then you go...
What about the pony ride? Tell us more about the pony ride.
Don't step on the pony poop.
Don't step on the pony poop.